welcome back to Five with Michelle and Ian. Yeah, we're outside in the open, guys, and today we have a big Malta.
I don't think Ian and Michelle. So when Michelle reach front
and Michelle and Ian.
Ian and Michelle.
No, sir. Then all along you never know who's survived with Michelle and Ian.
So why with Ian and Michelle?
No, your channel name is Ian Plus Nature TV. My channel is, our channel is Vibes with Michelle and Ian. Because at one point my channel was going to be just about me, me doing vlogs, probably fashion or, something that I love. But then I said, so, we could do this couple thing with me and Ian, Yeah, because in a pandemic we started the channel and we both had free times on our hand. So, we just include everything what we had. Even though I never like the video, I have to force him. But he love the nature thing because he believe in nature and he believe in naturality. But yeah, he indulge sometimes still in the foolishness thing.
I get better, man, I get better because I say thing. When I'm not used to something, I get into it. It take a little while, but
yeah, I getting a YouTube.
Welcome, guys. Welcome, brothers and sisters. Them, we just have a little spare time today. We say we have a reasoning. You understand? We have interact. You understand? So
big up on yourself.
We have to interact.
Soon come back. Malta challenge. You are going to know people. At the first time I'm going to do it, so I don't think I'm going to really challenge nobody because we didn't make some big talk on couple of
Yes, man. Yeah, your big talk. Then.
We didn't make some big talk on couple channels, but I don't think we can keep up. We can't drink too Malta. But I say I can't because anything is possible. I want to make Ian take on the challenge or me to challenge Ian to see which one we can drink. One of the Malta, the fastest.
Me no afraid of no challenge.
So you want to try the two
in 1 minute? If you want to tie a bungee rope and go jump off a bridge to bungee jumping, jump out a helicopter in a parachute. Me no afraid. Chuck off in a deep water. Me no afraid.
Oh, it's a video.
Me no afraid of no challenge.
I hear that. Challenger. Not challenge.
So
Green Nation be the challenger, Me the challenger, but I feel like I make Ian take on that challenger. I know Ian can do it. I know Ian can drink 2 Malta in a 1 minute. So I feel like I make Ian take on that challenger. Or you want me to challenge you to see which one we can drink 1 Malta.
You never test me to see if I can do it.
You're just saying afraid of no challenge.
Yeah, but you never test me to see if I can do it in a 2 minutes.
1 minute?
Yeah, sure, yeah, man.
Alright, me I challenge you then. I'm afraid to take on the challenge.
No,
so me I go
I'm not
challenge
afraid, but sure, yeah, man.
Me I go challenge him then.
Oh, you have a time, man. Oh, you have a time.
Time you? Yeah. Me have a timer. I have a timer right here.
One little belly me have, One little belly. Now one big belly like some people. I don't drink one sitting full. Nah, I don't drink one sitting full.
So timer your people? Yes, so alright guys. Me I go challenge Ian. You know I go challenge nobody, me I go challenge Ian. You see which one we can drink the Malta the fastest. Yeah. Right, that's the thing there. I did make some big talk on couple channels. So me I go, challenge them to the Malta challenge, but I'm not sure because me never do not test run like time myself or test myself to see if I can take on the challenge. So I'm now go up to that big challenge right now. I'm going to challenge Ian. I'm going to challenge Ian first before I take on my other YouTube families then. Yes. I know I can win Ian. I feel like I can win Ian.
Alright, you want me to say now. On a separate thing. Me want to call out any brother or any sister them. Any one of my subscribers them. Or anybody who just a pass. Who just a pass yard and feel like stop come challenge me.
Alright.
On the Malta thing. Where see she now? No follow she sometimes she start the war and then she push out her man from the battlefield. If push out, if finish the war for her, she just draw one side. You understand? So anybody who she challenge me, I go stand up for
Me know
her.
me challenge Green Nation. I think me challenge Green Nation. So Green Nation, me I go time myself know with a 1 Malta here first before me take you on the 2 Malta. Yeah. And I think I challenge Shell as well. Me not sure. So yeah guys, me I go challenge Ian first. We have got time with self. We have got time with self. Me I go show you the timer guys. Who no feel say I go win? Who no feel say I go win? Alright guys. So guys, this is the timer. Remember, you know, we have to drink the Malta in less than a minute because 2 Malta are 1 minute in our original challenge, you know. So this now we have to drink this in less than a minute. So we are gonna start now, guys.
You ready? You ready?
Put on back your lid. Put on back your lid. All the
Sure.
time make people them see.
Sure. So,
No. That catch on. My own down.
So what that for?
No, because you have to start before me.
No, we are going to open Malta, then we
Alright.
start.
So guys, let's go. On your mark, get set, go.
Watch out.
No time yourself.
Michelle never press the timer.
Jesus
I
Christ.
watch her now, I just discover that I can't drink fast.
Hold on.
Oh, I didn't know a long time, but I just rediscover say I can't beat nobody in the challenge.
Alright, move.
Can't drink fast.
No, press the timer. Press the timer now. Come on.
Right, I
And
just
the
want
mark.
to take time to drink my Malta.
And the mark gets set. Hold on. And the mark gets set, go, bro. Christ.
I can't drink fast. I don't know. I can't drink fast. 12 seconds that.
Oh, yeah?
But may see the start drink some already.
You know what about start drink some?
You start back from where they far.
Anyhow, me never did stop. Me done in a Jesus Christ. Why me never take on the 2 Malta challenge? You see, I could have won it, boy. I could have won it, God, no.
Why? Me tell you the truth. I don't like this. I can't take
No,
on the
man.
challenger.
I can't believe. Look at this. I could have done in less than 12 seconds, you know.
The coach is a whopping
Damn. I'm good. I forgot try about this by myself with 2 Malta. I feel like I can't win no. I feel like I can't win no. Yeah man, I feel like I can't win no. Yeah, I go do it. I go take on the challenge later. Really and truly. I go do that video later. I can't believe something that depends on Ian.
Brother them now. Here what I want to call them out for now. Some push-up challenge. Eh? We could do some push-up challenge, man. Who can do the most push-up?
You know how much minutes?
Not how much minute?
How
Not how
much?
much minutes?
How much minutes? 1 minute.
No,
1 minute. Push up and clap. Come back, down, clap.
No, man, I talk about push-up. Regular push-up.
Alright, yeah.
Who can
So
do
you have to start
in
the
1
challenge.
minute? Who can do the most push-up in 1 minute? Or just who can do the most push-up overall until the last minute?
No, in 1 minute you have to have time.
Push-up is about stamina. So when you have the push-up challenge, you have to be who can do the most push-up. Like no, who can do the most push-up.
Okay, till the last. Alright, so your challenge, I will do it until I say I can't no more.
Yeah,
Somebody
can't
take
no
you on.
more.
Alright guys, you know hear the challenge what you come up with. You might go do. Oh, there are some people who live in the gym, you know?
Yeah, no business.
Okay.
No.
So guys, listen. Your next challenge him say, you might go do a push-up competition. So all of the man them will have the vim and the vigor and the vitality. Saddle up for that challenge there. Saddle up cause Ian, him have it, you know? Him have it. Him have it. Yeah.
But we no flaunt it. We no flaunt
Have it!
But we no flaunt it. Yes.
So guys, yeah. We tried the Malta challenge, you never, I even know how it turned out. So Ian still have in Malta. Ian still have in Malta, so I don't know I'm the undisputed champion where me and Ian is concerned. Yeah, we win that challenge a while ago.
I think we could have go on the battlefield go fight that already, but no, sir.
Well, me realize that I can't take on anybody right now. Anybody.
So, she up on a hype now. So,
yeah, anybody ready come.
so she claims that she drink off one Malta.
Ready come.
One Malta in a 12, in a 15 seconds, or 13 seconds, call it.
I don't can't do that one year and test myself again. Because I wanted it stopping. Alright. He said no, no, no more Malta. Alright.
She got to take on the challenge. Like, she got to take on the challenge really, like, officially. One of them there and push out it. So, running, and she go.
We come to do the Malta challenge and never really work out the way we want it. Because Ian is not a Malta drinker. Ian is not a Malta drinker, so...
I'm not like, me a Malta drinker. I'm not a fast drinker. I can't drink fast.
We just say we are called Wallarizo and do the little challenge. And I won. I am the champion where me and Ian is concerned. So we can't take on anybody.
I want something in my throat that's a stoppy. When I drink fast, I want something that's stoppy.
Really?
So, yeah, I can't drink fast. I just take time drinking.
Okay.
I can't drink fast. I'm never really used to drink fast. I'm never used to drinking fast. So, you win the one day, and hope somebody out there step up to the plate and come challenge her. Because she thinks she bad now, you know.
But a lot of challenger out there, one Malta. So if me didn't know, you see, if me didn't know, say you couldn't challenge, but I try challenge two Malta by myself and try do the.
See one of them sister, I'm forget the channel where she depend. See them and chop up two Malta over there.
Now how much seconds ago?
1 minute and she go.
1 minute and I could have beat her then, man.
1 minute and she go.
I could have beat her then. But tomorrow me try again and challenge you guys. Look up on yourself, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for clicking the subscription button. Thanks for pressing that notification bell so you guys can be notified. And if you haven't subscribed or pressed the notification bell yet, guys, just go ahead and do so now. Yeah, man. And like and comment and share up the video them, man. Share up the video them, no, man.
Yeah, gratitude is a must. So it's a gratitude.
Big up on yourself outside. One love. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye.